Let's start by creating a new form from the top menu. You'll name the form Contact Person Registry. Let's assign a name for your table. Assign a display name for your form. Add and edit a photo area where you can add your contact person photo. Add a drop-down box and select the name of the drop-down box with the text of the label to select the company which contact person is affiliated with. Switch the field style as SQL query from the property pane and prepare the SQL query from the XP company name table to let it fill up automatically on the client screen. Add a text box where you can enter the contact person's name and make your edits. After that, you'll identify the fields such as title, email, phone. After editing, select the mask field as the phone from the text box properties. Let's save the form and add an action to show the record list. After selecting the Actions tab, you click Record Selection from the Ready Actions button. Click on the Update button and prepare the SQL query. Create your query by pulling what you want to be displayed from this field. In this table, the company's ID was stored in the company name. To show the name of the company, including the company name field in the query from the XP company name table. Select the master field as company join field as user table ID. Fill the other name field appropriately and save it. After saving the action and the form, you can look at its final image. Have fun!